Absolutely. So this is really good, but the main reason one of the reasons I get adjusted is I want to stay healthy and I want to live a good, healthy, long life. And I wanted to add, try to be healthy in my older age as you add years to your life, not life to years, or try to make myself, I can enjoy my retirement, my later in life. That's why I exercise. That's why I get adjusted every week. And that's why I do the things I do. But I understand too that there's another
Oh,
product you guys here called longevity that's designed for that. And I want to know if we could do a part two on this where we tackle the longevity. So if we wrap this one up now, could we do another one, another podcast about longevity and
absolutely.
people
We
can
sure
jump on
can.
for
I
part two? Does that
love
sound
to
fair
talk
to you?
about longevity. It's one of my favorite products.